Welcome to TechTekken.in. Today I will show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First of all, we need to find the center white portion. Now we need to make a cross like this. For that we need to rotate. While making this cross, we need to check whether that this white portion and this blue portion. Here we should arrange in such a way that the blue portion will coincide with the blue centerpiece. Now we need to arrange here with the piece with orange on the other side. So need to rotate like this. Now we will get here this blue aligned, orange aligned. Now we have green. We have to check for the green piece. Here it is. We can do like this. Now we got this green and green aligned, orange and orange aligned, blue and blue aligned. Now we need to bring white red piece here. Here it is. Rotate it. We have red, green, orange, blue. Now we need to make this corner pieces such a way that here it will be white, here orange, here blue. Now we need to choose for the piece with white, red, blue. It is white, red, blue is here itself. So now rotate like this. Now we got like this it in the corner piece. Now we need to get blue, orange, white. You can check for that. Blue, orange, white is here. Now we have one line full accurate. Secondly, now we need to bring orange and green. Then we can check for here it is. Now rotate like this. We have two sides correct. We need to get here, it's the same piece here, we need to change the direction. Now we have got all side like T. Here is also T. Here is also a T. Here is also a T. Now we need to choose the side like this. Now we need to change these two colors. Now we need to solve the middle layer. So we need to set in such a way that we will get one T like this, full T, not half T. Now check whether that this block, it is orange and green, so its position is here, green orange, so we need to rotate this to here. For rotating, do the steps. First turn the upper left, then right up, then again upper right, then right down. Now top right. Now rotate the front face. Now do this upper left, then front, like this. Now we will get this here. Now we need to check which other need to be rotated. Here is a red and blue. We can move it to this side. The algorithm for moving it here is like this. Then turn up, then left, down, again left. Now front face to rotate, then upper. Now you need to do this. Now the white remains here. We got this blue red corner. Now we can go for this green red. Okay, we need to do the same steps again to rotate this here. This like upper left, left up, upper left, left down, upper left, front right, upper left, upper right. Now rotate. We will get like this. We now got this. This is not aligned. This face accurate. Now we need to bring the blue and orange here. We can check for that. Blue and orange is here. Bring it here. Now we need to rotate this one to here. For doing this, do the first step. We have told upper left, right up, upper right, right down, upper right, front left, upper left, and then front right. Now we will get the middle layer solved. Now we need to solve the top layer. We have the white, all white on here, green, orange, blue and red. Now we can go for the top layer. Here is yellow L. We can check that can we align it red and green. It's aligned. Okay, then we need to make this one yellow, this one yellow to make yellow cross. For that, here in this case it is like a small L and then it's an angle, so we need to do the steps like front right, upper left, right up, upper left, sorry, right, then again right down and front face waist. Now we got one more yellow. It's not properly aligned. There is a small change in the alignment, but we got a cross. After getting yellow cross, we need to check which state it is. It is a plus, and here one left. Now do like this: right upper, upper left, right down, upper left, right up, upper left, right down. Now you will get one more piece there. Now we have here the same yellow. Now do like the same steps again. Now in align in such a way that there is one yellow here on the left side, and do the steps again. Then we will lose it and repeat the same steps again. Now we will do it again. Now we got this 3 yellow. Then we got the top surface all yellow, but the sides are not aligned. It's not a problem, we can change it. Now we need to check that the corners are aligned right. We can try. It is simply got aligned. Now we need to consider only the center pieces. If it is not aligned, to rotate, consider the corners as A, B, C, D. If the corners A and B are in right place, then to switch C and D, you need to do right down, front right, right down, back left. Back piece means this piece, back left again. Here we need to do 2 times back left, then right up, then front left, then right down, then back left again, then right up, again right up, then upper right. Then you will get this points aligned like that. This points like this you will get. Now do the steps: front right, upper left, left down, right down, front right, left up, right up, upper left, front right. Now you got one side correct. Now this one is aligned properly. These two are not aligned. To do that, you need to bring this here. So we need to do like this: front left, upper sorry front right, then upper right, left down, right down, front right, left up, right up, upper right, front right. Now you got all this faces correct. You can do it yourself, and there are many combinations. If you don't get in 2 steps in the last steps as I got, you can repeat the steps. To rotate this piece to here, you need to this piece to here, that is anti-clockwise direction. Then you need to do first front right, then upper right, then lower down, Then you need to do left down, then right down, then front right, then front right, then left up, then right up, then upper right, then front, double times right right. In the other case, you need to rotate in clockwise direction, like this to here. Do like front right, then upper left, left down, right down, front right, then left up, right up, upper left, then front right. Then you will get it solved. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.